Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be vlogging and I'm gonna bring you guys with. I'm waiting for my friend Gizwa and we're going to like what can I call it? It's like a wedding, but it's like a tying ceremony or whatever people call it these days. But basically it's like a small wedding in a nutshell. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with. I'm very late, so I'm just gonna plop you guys down and you guys are gonna get ready with me. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Yes, that's it. Oh, and by the way, I will be doing Vlogmas this year, so please share my channel with your friends and family. I am going to be doing a giveaway on the last day of my Vlogmas, so stay tuned.
We gon' make the perfect sound. But when you go, the music goes. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul. So hear me out before you see the night is over. I want you to know that we gotta carry on. So don't let this be our final song.
Hi guys, I'm like done with my face. I don't like my lashes, so I'm just gonna fix that because I look like a crazy person. Yeah, I didn't think lashes. Do you guys know that lady from TikTok with the lashes is dead? Yeah, to do good. So I'm just gonna fix this, especially this one. It's driving me crazy. So I'm just gonna take it off and redo it, and then I'm just gonna change this whole pair. I think it's the pair. Honestly, it's also just like a bit too heavy for the look. So I'm gonna change my lashes. Hi guys, so I am pretty much done with my face. The Gizwa's here. I'm busy doing her face as well. She's just busy on a phone call. We are very late. Quite embarrassing, but okay, what can we do? That was quick.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
Hi loves. Turn it upside down.
Because you said we're mid-face.
Definitely. Hi guys, welcome to Tia's channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
The next day.
So I thought I should make a room tour for you guys of where I've been staying. This is the kitchen. Then when you walk out of the kitchen, this is the lounge. I've already messed up that table with all my makeup. So you've just got like a slipper couch and 2 chairs. It's very nice, very minimal. And you've got a cute view. Show you guys the view. And then when you walk straight down into the hallway, you find the bathroom. It just has a shower and a sink. And then you've got your toilet. So yeah, that's the bathroom.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
Then straight out of the bathroom, we walk into the room. This is the room. It's just got like another TV in here. You've got a little couch. That's the bed. And that's the other side of the room. You've got this cute wallpaper. And then you've also got this nice, beautiful view from the side as well. Got a view of Lion's Head as well as Table Mountain. Super cute, super fresh. So yeah, that is it for the room tour. So yesterday I completely forgot to grab my camera when I was leaving, so I ended up not vlogging the wedding because I forgot my camera. But I had a great time. I saw my family. It was really nice. So yeah, that was a really like some fun times. Now we are braaiing, and I thought I would just like do a time lapse for you guys because obviously we're not gonna be like saying much or whatever. So yeah, that's what is happening. If you're still enjoying whatever this is going to be, please hit the like button. Thanks.